because of the crude prices being higher. And there goes the bell. Up about 1/3% for the Sensex and the Nifty. And the Nifty Bank as well. I thought that would take a bigger lead. But at the moment, it's just neck and neck, maybe slightly a nose ahead. ICICI Bank is still leading, 1.3% higher. Actually, auto stocks are doing well. Sonia would want to hear from you about that. Eicher Motors, Tata Motors, all of them in the lead, the top two gainers at this point in time. Apollo Hospitals is also one of the top gainers, Sun Pharma. So it's actually quite a mixed bag. And then coming up with Infosys. So you have pharma, you have IT. It looks like the global-facing stocks are seeing a bit of short covering, clearly because developed markets seem to get a reprieve of liquidity. And then, of course, there is ICICI Bank. What's not doing well, Axis Bank is seeing a bit of long unwinding, I guess. There was a lot of buying. Metal stocks not doing too well. JSW Steel and Hindalco in the red. The Bajaj twins also not among the most favoured. Bajaj triplets, if you please. Bajaj Auto also not participating. So it's not a steel day. It's not a metals day. And, okay, also not for Bajaj. And oil stocks also not doing too well. Understandably, because crude prices are higher.
Absolutely. In fact, in the broader markets, you know, the mid-cap index is slightly under pressure now, down about 65 odd points. But just want to mention certain stocks. KEC International has won a big order, and that stock is up almost about 2 odd percent. You have something like a VIP that posted a very strong set of numbers. The sales are now 25% above the pre-COVID levels for VIP. So that stock is down. Maybe some profit taking is what you're seeing there. By the way, it's fresh record highs for ICICI Bank this morning, so don't lose sight of that as well. At 9:39, it's a fresh record high there. A lot of consumption stocks are doing well. Devyani International is up almost about 2.5%. You have a lot of pharma stocks, Janta Pharma, Dr. Lal Pathlabs, Krishna Medical, all in the green right now. Aster DM as well, flat with a bit of a positive bias over there. So not bad, but the Bank Nifty is now dragging its feet. It's moved into the red, led by Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank. So it's like, you know, a tale of two cities. ICICI Bank on one hand, Axis Bank, a little bit of profit taking. But otherwise, nothing much to complain about.
Well, that's right, Sonia. But, you know, it seems there is a fight at around the 17,800 odd mark because the Nifty has almost moved into the red. Yesterday, we went to around 17,780 and from there we did a U-turn. Today, we made a high from 17,811. So from the highs of the day, we are down close to around 70 points. The Nifty Bank, well, that's corrected close to around 250 points from the high point of the day. So clearly that program trade seems to be playing out and some money being taken off the table after the kind of run that we've seen. A couple of stocks that I'm looking at, Tata Motors, DVR. Even yesterday, the stock did much better than what the core stock, that's the Tata Motors stock did. It's up close to around 2%. Remember, yesterday it was up close to around 8% by the time we wound up. MCX, you know, it had a good run yesterday. Today, it's seeing some follow-through. So it's up close to around 2.5% odd. So that's one of the big winners. And the IDFC stocks, both IDFC First Bank as well as IDFC, the numbers look pretty good. But both those two are coming for some profit taking. And RBL Bank, yesterday it was down 3.5% in a strong motor trading session. Well, today it's down another 2%. And as we speak, all the frontline indices in the red, the Nifty Bank, the mid-cap index, all of them trading with a tinge of red.
Before our stock expert joins us, Nigel, is this a typical expiry behavior?
Yeah, that's right. You know, Lata, a couple of factors actually. Yesterday we went to this high, right? 17,780. Now, given that tomorrow is a holiday, there is that